So welcome back to the channel, and maybe today I should start by saying I think I really suck when it comes to making YouTube videos. But because I was listening to Alex Homos, who said at first no one listens to you, so you shouldn't be worried. So I have a problem. Every time I press record, everything I wanted to say just vanishes off my mind. So basically today I want to update Gule channel on what has been happening on volatility 25. So again, I still suck at doing this thing. So bear with me if you're going to be the one who's going to listen to this. So maybe I should start by explaining what I have not been recording because being so long a losing streak. So this month has been a very, very challenging month when it comes to anyone who's trading volatility 25. The market has been just dead, no movements. Okay, I had my mistake now, but I don't think having affected the way affected ngakhona. So yeah, as you can see, everything is red. I've just been on this long range. So the market was just consolidating for the whole month. Nonetheless, we are still here Skablowi. Our capital is still there, though we did take a huge loss or a huge throwdown. So where are we today? Today it's Saturday. We still have an open entry from yesterday. This sell here. I'm not sure if I should maybe put it on 15 minutes. So this is the 1 hour chart. This is my take profit. This is yesterday's entry, and this is my stop loss. So I did go half of the way to hitting my. I think I even went 90%, but I am still holding on to this trade. Why am I still holding on to it? Because the strategy says so. So it's not about how I feel or what I want to do. None of my beliefs, even though maybe today I should explain. I did add a bit, or I did move a bit away from my take profit. Initially, my take profit is supposed to be somewhere around this place. And I've put myself in danger. I can even lose this trade if the market decides to go up. But nonetheless, even today we have a. Let me go to 15 minutes. I'm not gonna explain that. So this is my entry from yesterday, and this structure, for me, ngithola fit to put my stop loss, and my take profit was supposed to be around this area here, but I ended up moving just a bit, even though now I'm starting to blame myself. So today, okay, yesterday, it's I ended up using the first structure or the first level because basically half of the range. Then today, I didn't use the first structure because it's below half of the range, so I had to use the second structure, which is around 28.31. Yeah, maybe I should just bring it up a bit to make it bigger. So yeah. So I ended up not choosing this one today, even though yesterday I used the first level. So today I used the second one. Then I had to move it because I had the bullish railroad. So that's where I have my stop loss today. And my take profit, it's way down. This trade is just going to take days. Okay, sometimes I do take days, and sometimes it takes even hours, but not minutes. So I'm a swing trader. I take trades on a daily basis. I don't have an A plus setup. I just take trades. Every time I get a breakout away from the 9 a.m. range, I take a trade. Then I use some type of methodology that I invented or developed to protect my risk. So what I do is I'm just a risk manager, not even a trader. No, I'm also a trader. But yeah, so I will update you on how this trade will go. Both of these trades actually, even though I'm not necessarily happy with the decision I took here. Yeah. What else? Maybe I should also say I am thinking of going back. Okay, I don't think I need to go back. I have to go back. Put my liquidity refill area. I think it's supposed to be around that area. So it's a bit scary, man. But hey, for now, there's nothing I can do. I just have to wait and see. I do have a rule that says if I move my TP, then the market gets to that area and reverses. If it gets to half, I should get out. I know it's bad. It's really, really bad. But hey, we all have mistakes. So yeah, what else I should update? Maybe on XRP. Even though I don't trade XRP. I invest in XRP, and I've said in my video Amagaten on why I invest in XRP, and I did buy this dip, by the way. So I was just checking the price action of how this thing is moving. This is the daily chart. So I am one of those who believe the wealth transfer is going to come, and I believe people should get ready. How you get ready, it's up to you. You get the money from investing in these things, or these crypto tokens. Maybe you're going to build houses for rentals. Maybe you're going to start car rental business. For me, I decided I'm just going to have a portfolio where I'm just going to trade. Except for what I did this month, of which on my volatility 25 portfolio, I added gold. And unfortunately for me, I went into a losing streak on both gold and V25. That meant, or that means, I have to lower my risk, and I had to stop trading gold because I was just bleeding every day for the past 2 weeks. I even had to take out money from my crypto reserves. So for me, I have three separate accounts. Two are my main accounts. I think I have 50-50 for what I am investing in cryptocurrency. Then I have a trading portfolio, and also in that trading portfolio, I do have some money in XRP in that account. I think it's it's derivative account. I have about half of my trading account in XRP, so I had to sell some of that, and I had to bring it into my trading account because of the losing streak and the fact that I increased my risk unit, the value of each trade. Nonetheless, I am hopeful in my strategy, and I believe in myself that I'm going to get it all back. So yeah, when it comes to XRP, I believe it's going to be part of the financial system that we're going to be using in the future. Even though I'm starting to be skeptical when it comes to cryptocurrency, man. I do not trust what the governments want to do, especially with what they said in UK, what Stama said. They're going to force people. You are not going to get a job if you don't have the digital ID. So I think the people of UK should not accept this thing because it's going to carry all your data, your finances, your health data, even your political views. They're going to be included in there. If you don't like your government, obviously they can freeze that digital ID of which you should be having your finances inside. Basically, the CBDC. It's called what? CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency. Again, I should. No, I'm not going to say sorry for that. I explained that I have this freezing whatsoever recording freeze every time I look at the camera. Whatever I want to say just vanishes away. Nonetheless, I know I'm going to get better at this. I'm going to try and do it every day for now. Just look at the camera and say whatever. Even though I'm starting to be afraid, I cannot say whatever I want, especially when there's wars. Yeah, nonetheless, I'll update you on what happens with volatility 25. For now, not everything is going to plan, and well, it's because of me. Like most of the trades I lose, most of the time it's not because of the system, it's because of me. So there's a lot I would really like to share, but for now, I don't have anything structured. That's why even my YouTube channel is not going that okay. I'm still trying to find a way how to deal with all these things that I do. So I'm interested in cryptocurrency. I do golf. I do weight training. I am an I am a singer, choral music singer. Sometimes I sing opera. Sometimes I sing choral music. Sometimes I sing. I used to sing this music. The one Iltivo sings, pop opera. So yeah, and I also do a bit of running, even though I hate running. But hey, as I get older, I'm noticing my legs are starting to get weak. So I know that this is the most part that I will need. So I have to do something about that. Then mostly, I also like this topic so on psychology. That's why I do all these things that are good for your psychology. What else do I do? Fishing. Yeah, fishing. So I am going to try and create content around these topics. I don't know how, but mainly it's going to be about investing in cryptocurrency and day trading volatility 25 and gold. Later on, I do promise I am going to be better at doing this thing. I'm going to have maybe a script to follow what I want to say because for now everything is just there. Nonetheless, if you did watch up until now, thank you very much for your support. You can hit that subscribe button. I know I'm going to get better at this. I've just decided that I'm going to do this now. So before I mess up more, goodbye.